Welcome to NordVPN's Top 10 FAQ. Question: how many devices can I secure with one NordVPN account? You can connect 6 devices at the same time. NordVPN supports every major platform: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux. Use it on your laptop, phone, and even your smart TV. And here's an extra tip. You can set up NordVPN on your router so it secures every device in your home network using only a single slot. Question: what do the different server categories mean? With NordVPN, you can choose from over 5,000 VPN servers in 59 countries, or you can connect to a specialty server. The double VPN feature encrypts your traffic twice by routing it through 2 VPN servers. Obfuscated servers let you bypass internet censorship. Recommended if you're visiting a country that restricts internet access. Purchase a dedicated IP and access the internet under the same static IP address every time you connect. Finally, use P2P servers for peer-to-peer sharing. Question: what should I do if I forgot my NordVPN password? Well, you'll have to reset it. But don't worry, it's a lot easier than it sounds. Go to account.nordvpn.com, click on the Login with Nord Account button, enter the email address that you registered with, click on Forgot Your Password, and check your email. That's it. Now create a strong and unique password. You have no excuses not to do that because you can use our free password manager, NordPass. It generates passwords and keeps them in a secure vault for you. With NordPass, your digital life is safer and much more convenient. Get NordPass at nordpass.com. Question: how to set NordVPN on my router? The process is different for every router, but here are the general steps. Step 1, make sure that your router supports VPN connections. To do that, enter the name of your router into the search box of NordVPN's tutorial page at nordvpn.com/tutorials to find out. Step 2, log into your router. Usually you'll have to enter your router's IP address into your address bar. And here's how to find your router's IP. Step 3, configure your router. This step will depend on the router that you use. Some routers have an integrated VPN functionality, while others have to be reconfigured manually. Find specific instructions on the NordVPN tutorial page or the router manufacturer's manual or website. Still having trouble setting up NordVPN onto your router? Well, get in touch with our 24/7 customer support. Contact them at support@nordvpn.com. Question: how can I reach NordVPN customer support? You can contact them via email at support@nordvpn.com or use live chat by clicking on the support icon in the bottom right corner of our webpage. If the chat or email buttons aren't working, your ad blocker might be the culprit. Try disabling it. You can also explore various topics on our help center found at support.nordvpn.com. Question: how to connect from a country with internet restrictions? First, open the app settings and choose the NordLynx protocol. Depending on the platform, you can find it in the Auto Connect options for Windows or VPN protocol options for other operational systems. If you still can't connect, find the detailed instructions in our help center. Go to support.nordvpn.com and enter "connecting from a country with internet restrictions" into the search box. Still having trouble? Get in touch with our 24/7 customer support. Contact them at support@nordvpn.com. Question: how to set up NordVPN on my smart TV? If you have an Android TV, download the native app found on nordvpn.com/download/android-tv. Sign in, hit Quick Connect, and you're done. To use NordVPN on your other smart TVs, you'll have to set it up on your router. Find a guide here. Still having trouble? Get in touch with our 24/7 customer support. Contact them at support@nordvpn.com. Question: which router should I use with NordVPN? The most convenient option is to buy a pre-configured VPN router. Our partners at Flash Routers deliver top-notch security and performance. If you don't mind configuring the router yourself, we recommend Asus routers. They have a built-in OpenVPN client, so setting them up is really easy. For more information, please visit our help center. Question: where can I find the NordVPN server list? Easy. Find all NordVPN server locations and information on the different server types at nordvpn.com/servers, and check out the recommended server button, which finds the server that best suits your needs. Question: what is NordLynx? NordLynx is a VPN tunneling solution that we've built around the WireGuard protocol. It's extremely fast and insanely lean in its architecture, making it much easier to deploy, audit, and debug. Depending on the platform, you can find and enable NordLynx in the Auto Connect options for Windows or VPN protocol options for other operational systems. Find out more at nordvpn.com.